If you really want to learn how to back up all your phone contacts to your Google account, consider to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because I'm going to show you step by step on how you can back up all your phone contacts to your Google account without any stress. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you back up all your phone contacts to your Google account for easy accessible in future. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can back up all your phone contacts to your Google account. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you locate your contacts right here. Then it's open up this page. So all your phone contacts is going to be right here. Okay. Next thing you want to do is to click on the 3-stroke at the top. Then it takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on settings. Then it takes you right here. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on export. Then at this point here, you need to click on export to VCF file. Okay, click on that. Then right here, click on save. All right, so after a successful export all the contact as our VCF file, so what we want to do right here is to exit from the contact, and we head over to our Google Chrome. So I'm going to click on Google right here. Then I'm going to make use of address bar right here. Then I will type in Google contact. Then I'll click on go. So I'm going to click on the first result right here, Google Contacts. So it's going to load up this way. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on this 3-stroke right here. Then we have to choose, we have to click on select file. Then download from where we save it. Then we have to click on the 3 dots at the top right here. Then right here we click on downloads. Then here is our contact saved. So we have to select on that. Then we have to click on import. So you can see at the bottom right here, importing contact VC file. All right, so you can see all the contacts has been imported successful. So we have about 2,500 contacts imported so far. So you can scroll down and you'll be able to see all your phone contacts that has been successfully backed up to your Google account. So you can see it right here. Okay, so this is how you can back up your all contacts to your Google account without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. So thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.